First up, we are seeing more cases of the COVID-19 coronavirus here in the Pacific Northwest. In Oregon, there is still one confirmed case that we know about, but we are expecting to hear new numbers from the Oregon Health Authority. That's coming in, we're expecting, at any moment. Now, we do know that patient from Washington County works at Forest Hills Elementary School, and this weekend up in Washington, the first U.S. coronavirus death was confirmed. State officials there are also investigating a possible outbreak at a Kirkland nursing facility. In all, 8 people in Washington have tested positive, including a U.S. Postal Service employee. Currently worldwide, more than 85,000 people have contracted COVID-19. Now, right now, the Washington County patient is in the hospital in isolation, and that local school where he worked is closed right now for deep cleaning. Classes are canceled until Wednesday. Our Audrey WEIL reports tonight from Lake Oswego.
Today, it's been all about the little things that can make a big difference. Just as a few examples, we were at a restaurant that's keeping hot sauce bottles behind the counter to avoid a lot of people touching them. There's a kids' gym that has a sign on the door making sure everyone washes their hands as soon as they come in. And even at the church here, communion is seeing some changes to stop the spread of germs. At Our Lady of the Lake Catholic Church, Mass this Sunday looked a little different.
We're kind of on the front lines right now, in terms of we don't know how this virus spreads, completely.
Pastoral Associate TOMASZEK says during communion, parishioners aren't drinking out of the communal cup, and they're offering some alternatives to the usual handshakes.
So at the sign of peace and at greeting, to do that verbally or with a hand, with a head shake or a wink of peace, perhaps, if they would, to keep the physical contact to be a little bit minimal.
They also canceled all children's activities this weekend, following the lead of Lake Oswego School District. Forest Hills Elementary is still undergoing some deep cleaning. School there is canceled through Wednesday after an employee tested positive late last week for COVID-19 coronavirus, Oregon's first presumptive case.
I just pray for the best for that person.
Lonnie Kelly's daughters go to junior high in the district.
I think they're fine. I mean, everyone's been extra cautious and doing their extra hand washing and sanitizing.
Even for businesses and people walking around downtown, preventing the spread of germs is top of mind.
Going to a restaurant, you pick up the menu and you read it, you think of how many people have already touched that menu and you put it down and then you start eating. Now, those are just the little things that I think we can, think about.
Lake Oswego School District says they're continuing to closely monitor this situation. All other schools besides Forest Hills will be open tomorrow. School officials say public health officials have told them there's no reason to close any other schools. In Lake Oswego, Audrey WEIL, Fox 12 Oregon.